If Google Drive is taking too long to upload files on your Android phone, don't worry. This problem is usually caused by slow internet connection, battery restriction, or app settings. First, check your internet connection. If you are using mobile data, switch to stable Wi-Fi network for faster upload. If you are already on Wi-Fi, restart your router or reconnect the Wi-Fi. Next, open the Google Drive app and make sure it updated from the Play Store. An outdated app can cause upload issue. Open Settings, click Battery, then click Optimization and remove Google Drive from battery optimization so Android doesn't stop upload in the background. Also, make sure your Google Drive account has enough free storage. If your storage is full, upload may fail or remain stuck. If the problem continues, long press Google Drive app, then click App Info, then click Storage, then click Clear Cache and restart your phone. You can also try uploading the file again. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.